It's Saturday, 18th of October 2025. We are in the large mall next to the Outmarket Gate Gallery, and here there's a market. They're selling all kinds of sewing things, materials, silks, patterns, everything. So it's a cool autumn day, and there's just so many things they're selling. No vegetables, no food, just fabrics. Which are lovely. Okay. So that's Dresden in the autumn. I lost patience, she's run away. She has no patience at all. Oh, there she is. Patience, lacking patience. I'm too slow for her, and that's quite right. Young people are always in a hurry, and old people aren't.